Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Geek Fruit with fellow and television geeks Tejas, Jishnu and Dinkar as they discuss the world of science fiction and nerd culture.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. Here to discuss Saturday's double header between KKR and SRH
DD Kings 11.
Yeah, DD. Too many teams.
Confusion,
too many matches.
Especially when you have 4 double headers back to back.
Yeah.
Every team plays on the second day. So it's very, very confusing.
Yes. Okay, before jumping on to today's matches, एक point पे मुझे ponder करना था और हम discuss भी करेंगे एकदम short में, विवेक.
बिल्कुल.
Shane Watson. Yesterday we discussed how important he is to be in the team in terms of cricket. Fantasy cricket side में रखो 2 मिनट के लिए. But what a horrible mistake. एक अच्छा bowler तुम्हारा 4 विकेट ले लेता है. And then you don't have a single bowler to continue that.
बहुत ही खराब decision था and rightfully it backfired. If you look, the way the wicket was playing, there was nothing for the seamers. And Shane Watson is that type of a bowler. If you could open the bowling with Stuart Binney, and I could see the logic in that. And that's where Shane Watson's experience and class would have come in very handy. They had Samuel Badri. He was just bowling so brilliantly. And again, goes to show how poor the thinking has been. Why do you want to unleash Stanlake and Mills? You have such a sorry bowling lineup. Somebody like a Samuel Badri, who has been a consistent wicket taker in T20s, top 5 में आता है.
Yes.
Almost हर first over में उसको 1 wicket मिलता ही है, चाहे वो कोई भी league खेले. And you pick him only in the 4th match. And what did he do? He made 147 look like 187.
Yeah.
The way he was bowling, and still despite having Mumbai 6 for 4, they couldn't defend 145. It just goes to show how pathetic the bowling is. And again, one more thing, not only with the ball, they also missed Watson with the bat.
Yes.
Now 2 things could have happened. He could have either opened with Gale, or like we saw when ABD, Virat and Gale departed, there was nobody in the middle order. Kedar Jadhav also had an off day. He was unfortunately run out. And then Mandeep, Binney, Pawan Negi, these guys just couldn't get the runs, you know. So hopefully message has been delivered, lesson learnt. And he gets back into the action.
You don't drop him. You don't drop a player like Shane Watson.
Well, you don't. देखो, हमें कई messages आए थे. लोगों ने हमसे पूछा कि भाई ये खेलने वाला है, नहीं खेलने वाला है. We were also not 100% confident. But we always go by the logic. We do our own analysis. At the end of the day, we keep saying this. This is not in our hands. Probably only Virat Kohli and Daniel Vittori would have known. Okay, last 10 minutes, decision is Shane Watson doesn't play. It is so close. Again, the match, like Akash Chopra rightly said, I just want to talk about the Pune match also. That was an absolute disaster for Pune. We didn't have Steven Smith because, like you guys must have realized, it was very difficult. It was a high budget round. People who picked Smith didn't have Raina and Dwayne Smith. People who picked McCallum couldn't go for Aaron Finch. So it was so difficult to make a team. Fortunately for us, Raina worked. Dwayne Smith worked. Manoj Tiwari was our dark horse pick. And everything happened so nicely in the second game. But like Akash Chopra said, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको ये टीम कहाँ जाने वाली है. ये टीम बैंगलोर जाएगी एक और मैच हारने. It is so bad. I'm talking about RPS. But I think overall it was a pretty decent day, I would say. But I think things can get definitely better.
Okay. Alright, so today's match between KKR and our title says Morgan, Shakib, will they continue to bench? Shakib on bench, बहुत ऐसा है ना फील होता है एज अ क्रिकेट फैन. मैं केकेआर फैन नहीं हूँ, बट स्टिल व्हेन यू सी अ मैच विनर लाइक हिम स्टिल ऑन बेंच, इट रियली बॉगल्स माय माइंड.
हाई डिमांड बंदा है. कोई भी लीग ले लो, कोई भी टीम ले लो, कोई भी कंडीशन ले लो, ही इज ऑलवेज देयर इन द टीम. सबका कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन होता है. वन ऑफ द रीजंस वी मेड हिम एज द वाइस कैप्टन. इस बात का मुझे कोई भी अफसोस नहीं है कि मैंने उसे कैप्टन बनाया और उसे बेंच कर दिया गया. मैं आपको बता दूं, टुडेस मैच there is no guarantee he will come back, because the way Trent Bolt and Vokes have been bowling, not to say they have been very impressive, but Gautam Gambhir has been giving them full support, full encouragement, and he talks great about them even after the match. And when you look at their spin department, there is Naren, there is Piyush Chawla, Kuldeep Yadav was a big shocker, he was benched. तो आप यार इतने सारे ऑप्शंस आपके पास अगर अवेलेबल होते हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है कि कोई ना कोई बैठने वाला है. नाउ द जॉब ऑफ आर्स इज टू सी who might sit, who might not sit. Today we are not taking any chance. Shakib might come in, might get benched. We don't care. We are not playing him. Colin de Grandhomme was a shocker. मैंने बोला था कि ये शायद खेल जाएगा, लेकिन उसको सही में खिला दिया रे. ये तो and what value does he add to this team? I don't know. Okay, he's great when it comes to the bat. He's got this golden arm. He picks wickets. But when you have two frontline seamers in Vokes and Bolt, and Umesh Yadav has started firing. Naren bowled like Naren, batted like Gale. So इतने सारे चीज होते हैं. Now when we talk about Sunil Naren, chances are he might open again. I don't know. I just feel KKR are hell bent on breaking their successful opening pair of Uthappa and Gambhir. They said, Chris Lynn, you go up. Chris Lynn injured, no problem. Sunil Naren, you go up. I'll tell you, if Sunil Naren pulls up, they'll say, Umesh Yadav, you go up. So this is very, very funny. It can happen. Still, we pick Uthappa because Naman Oja bats number 5, number 6. And he's not a great T20 batsman in my opinion, because आप देखो record देखो, ठीक है यहाँ वहाँ छक्के मार देता है, but Uthappa is more consistent.
You know, you spoke about Gautam Gambhir being happy with Bolt, Vokes, वगैरह, but you know, throughout all these years, we have seen KKR play 4 spinners.
They have. That's why it is surprising. And
nothing has changed in their management or
nothing
captaincy.
Has changed. A very beautiful again tweet by Harsha Bhogle. I think he's the only guy who keeps doing this. Others, they do it, but when Harsha tweets, you really sit down and you're like, okay, man, what a great thought. He said the only thing that has changed in this IPL is the Bangalore wicket has gone to Kolkata and Kolkata wicket has come to Bangalore. That is exactly what happened. So, will it continue? I don't know. I'm not too sure. See, एक बात आपको बता दूं, जितना वेयर एंड टेयर विकेट में होता है, अब धूप एकदम पीक पर है और जैसे ही तापमान बढ़ता जाएगा क्रम्बल होने वाला है. हाँ, तो what you have to realize is somewhere the slow bowlers will come into play. Remember, it is a 4 o'clock game. Okay, and the spinners will have their say because the sun is going to beat down. The weather is fine today. No rain forecast, fortunately, in Kolkata. And I wouldn't be surprised if they play 4 spinners. But I'll tell you, एक और चीज क्या हो सकता है. They could also play Kuldeep Yadav. They'll be desperate to play him because he has been their best spinner for the last 2 matches. There is no question about it. Unfortunately, he had to warm the bench. Like I said, Gambhir wasn't happy dropping Piyush either. He wants all his spinners in. And something interesting that I would want to mention, शायद ये लोगों के मन में डर पैदा कर देगा. Foreign players, 4 खेलने हैं, खिलाना है जरूरी नहीं. And given KKR's current situation, they can afford not to play for foreigners. What they could do.
This was done by Kings 11.
So I think Kings 11 did this, and इसके पीछे कोई strategy नहीं था. It was, the situation was so bad that they were not clicking at all. So they had to do something different. And what they did was play with 3 overseas players. Now this is possible with KKR. If I was in the camp, probably मैं ये करता. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ क्यों. Solution भी देता हूँ. So what could happen is, they might say, Colin de Grandhomme, we don't need you. And they could ask Kuldeep Yadav to come in. Which means, only bowling, you have Kuldeep, you have Sunil Naren, you have Piyush Chawla. 12 quality overs. Okay? And then you have a Bolt, you have a Vokes, and then you have a Umesh Yadav. मतलब मेरे पास 6 एकदम quality frontline bowlers है. मेरे को डालने कितने हैं? 20 overs. तो अगर किसी को मार भी पड़ती है, कोई पिट भी जाता है, so then I have a great backup. Now, you might say, what happens to their batting? Balance क्या होगा if Colin de Grandhomme goes? Not a problem. Kuldeep Yadav can bat. Sunil Naren is batting like Gale. If Sunil Naren starts opening, you have Uthappa. Then you have Manish Pandey. Then you have Yusuf Pathan. Then you have Surya Kumar Yadav. Piyush Chawla can bat. And then Chris Vokes is an all-rounder. So there is so much depth, so much variety, itna balance, and if you have 16 overs of, not even 16, 20 full overs of quality. अगर 24 overs का भी मैच होता तो भी KKR have that lineup. So this is where I think, don't be surprised if they play 3 foreigners. This is, आप मेरे को बताओ, मैंने कुछ गलत बोला? Did I say anything illogical?
नहीं, गलत तो नहीं बोला है, but I guess they would continue because they are going through a winning run. They would not like to. The only thing I feel is आज कॉलिन की जगह शाकिब आ सकता है.
आ सकता है, बिल्कुल आ सकता है. लेकिन अगर शाकिब आता है तो फिर कुलदीप जगह पे नहीं आएगा. कुलदीप वहीं उसको बेंच कर देगा दोबारा. So that could be a problem because Shakib offers spin. Kuldeep also offers the same. If they trade Shakib for Colin de Grandhomme, then Kuldeep remains in the bench. That is also unfair. So if they have to get Kuldeep in, they have to let go one overseas. And अगर किसी को जाना है तो या शायद बोल्ट जाएगा या फिर Colin de Grandhomme जाएगा. They could do without both. I'm telling you. That's how. Because Umesh, अरे Indian bowlers की quality देखो आप.
This is like a complete package team.
This is a complete package team. And जो सामने खेल रहा है Sunrisers, this team, I'm telling you, is going. ये जो आज fantasy cricket team आपको जो बनानी है, is going to be very challenging because both teams have a great bowling lineup. I get a feeling Ashish Nehra could be rested. Barinder Sran could be given a chance. He was the dark horse in the last year's in last edition. He is going to play. Mustafizur, there is a question mark because he considered that was an aberration in my opinion. But I see him playing and he should be playing at Kolkata. And when you have cutting now, Moses Henriques, I heard, is likely to come back. Now, whom does he replace? Ben Cutting did very well with bat and ball. So Mustafizur जाएगा, मुझे लगता है
नहीं.
They might say, okay, Cutting, this is a very difficult choice. I don't see Jordan and Nabi playing at all. Rashid will play. Bhuvneshwar will play. I have a feeling today, I don't know why, Nehra might be benched. ऐसा लगता है मेरे को. तो ये इतना कठिन राउंड है. इसमें ऑलराउंडर में प्रॉब्लम है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली
जबरदस्ती बिठाना पड़ रहा है.
जबरदस्ती लेना ही है. यू कैन नॉट डू विदाउट एन ऑलराउंडर हियर. वी हैव पिक्ड वोक्स बिकॉज़ ही पिक्ड 2 wickets. So you want to pick Colin de Grandhomme.
You're not picking Henriques because of his availability or because of budget?
Both. Highly priced है. क्योंकि आप देखो वार्नर, शिखर धवन, गौतम गंभीर, मनीष पांडे लो, सुनील नरेन लो और भुवनेश्वर कुमार लो. आप मेरे को बजट, आपके पास बजट ही नहीं बचेगा.
If you drop Yuvraj Singh?
If I drop Yuvraj Singh, if I drop Yuvraj, then what happens is my bowling opens up. So I have one more slot in the bowling department. तो मैं कितने bowlers को खिलाऊं? Because I already have Bhuvneshwar, I already have Rashid Khan, I already have Sunil Narine and Umesh Yadav. How many bowlers do I need to play? And because the wicket, the way it was behaving, if it is going to be a flat wicket, remember what people had written about कि सीम होएगा, swing होएगा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. मस्त बैटिंग विकेट है, प्यार से खेलेंगे.
Okay.
So please,
I'll just go ahead and tell our listeners the fantasy 11 that we have created. So it starts with Robin Uthappa. In batting we have Manish Pandey, David Warner as our captain choice, Gautam Gambhir, Yuvraj Singh, Deepak Hooda. Then we have Chris Wokes. Deepak Hooda is because of budget?
Yeah, Deepak Hooda is because of budget. There is no doubt about it.
Chris Wokes. And in the bowling lineup, okay, all
हमारे पास शिखर धवन नहीं है.
Yeah, शिखर धवन नहीं है और
क्योंकि बजट का प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे. मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा.
Okay. So if you have
अगर हम शिखर लेते हैं तो हमें युवराज को ये करना पड़ेगा और अगर हम युवराज को बाहर बिठाते हैं तो ऑलराउंडर पे दिक्कत होगी क्योंकि क्रिस वोक्स हाईली प्राइस्ड.
Okay.
So there has to be a balance.
So and bowling में we have Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Umesh Yadav, Rashid Khan and Sunil Narine. Who is our vice captain?
Who is? अभी तो बस मेरे को कोई सर कोई डाउट ही नहीं है यार. अभी तो बस उसको करना ही है. तुम ओपन करो मत करो. तुम सहमत हो ये चॉइस से? क्या लगता है तुम्हें वाइस कैप्टन?
नहीं, see,
you think Gautam Gambhir would have been a better choice?
Yes.
Not bad. I really can't argue because you look at his numbers, consistently खेल रहा है. But ये मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि today is going to be another Sunil Narine.
The only thing is Sunil Narine के bowling को अभी इतना gauge किया गया है that he might not pick any wickets. He might give 10 runs, 12 runs.
But I'll tell you, Hyderabad का middle order is vulnerable and it starts with Yuvraj Singh. And that is where if Sunil Narine gets a look in, 2-3 बन जाएगा.
I think he'll be exposed to David Warner.
मेरे को नहीं लगता. बहुत risk है. मार देगा. या फिर विकेट भी जा सकता है.
Okay. चलो, let's move on to the next match. Delhi, ये क्या North India Derby है ये?
North India Derby, वो कहने के लिए दोनों बेकार टीम है.
Delhi versus
6th और 7th पोजीशन के लिए.
Delhi versus Punjab.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have here?
वेल एक ही चेंज हो सकता है दिल्ली में. श्रेयस अय्यर कुड कम इन फॉर आदित्य तरे. अदरवाइज मुझे नहीं लगता कि
Why is
इनको
that?
क्योंकि आदित्य तरे को 2 चांस दे चुके हैं. मेरे ख्याल में 2 मैच खेल लिया उसने. 20 के ऊपर मारा नहीं है. तो आई जेन्युइनली फील दे कुड गो फॉर श्रेयस अय्यर. बट क्या आपको आपकी जो विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन है उसको डिस्टर्ब करना है नहीं करना है वो उनके ऊपर है. लेकिन मेरे को नहीं लगता कि आपको चाहे वो अंदर आए या नहीं आए आपको उस पर ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू हैव बिलिंग्स, you have somebody like Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant should open, in my opinion. I don't know why he's batting 4 and 5. Chris Morris है.
Because Sanju Samson is.
Sanju Samson को भी हमने लिया है. Sanju is batting 1 down, boss.
Sanju opened.
नहीं,
Sanju opened.
Sanju opened last time. Oh, okay. ठीक है. Yeah, so there you go. So Sanju and Billings opening.
Yep.
नहीं, संजू ने ओपन नहीं किया था, आदित्य तरे ने किया था.
ओहो हाँ, आदित्य तरे 0 पे आउट हो गया तो ऐसे लग रहा था कि संजू ने ही ओपन किया हो. राइट. हाँ, कंटिन्यू. सो वी हैव संजू, वी हैव ऋषभ पंत और कौन, सैम बिलिंग्स. उसको तो तुम छोड़ ही नहीं रहा.
नहीं, उसको नहीं छोड़ सकता मैं. और and who else do we have? So we've picked Hashim Amla. He's been doing very well. David Miller is in the team. Glenn Maxwell is there. Akshar Patel is going to bowl 4 overs. He can even open the bowling. He can bat 3 or 4. You also have some great bowlers in Zahir Khan.
Sometimes
Amit
he do
Mishra.
come, up the order.
अक्षर पटेल का कोई भरोसा नहीं, उसको बहुत फ्लोट कराते हैं. लेकिन उसका प्राइमरी रोल है विद द बॉल एंड ही इज गोइंग टू बोल 4 overs. So I really pick him, and Delhi's batting is wobbly. They did very well. I understand that in the last game, but it's always shaky. So there, as a bowler, you always have a chance. And I keep playing Sandeep Sharma. You just look at the numbers. He has been the best bowler. Ishant खेल सकता है मेरे ख्याल से. Mohit Sharma will play. I think T. Natarajan again will miss this game. Varun Aaron will play. Yes. I don't think इसमें भी कोई changes होने वाले हैं unless they of course feel Stoinis could be dropped for Morgan. Should they do against Delhi? मुझे नहीं लगता. I think Stoinis gives you that balance. और अगर आपने शुरुआत इन प्लेयरों से किया है तो after 3 matches
You
stick
should
to this
continue,
combination. Then आप बेकार में तोड़ोगे.
Punjab is in good form.
That's what I'm saying. So they have won 2 out of 3. They don't have to do anything silly here.
Yeah.
They can go with Stoinis, persist with him because he lends that balance. So Morgan can form the bench for one more.
So for the listeners, let me just read out the fantasy cricket 11 that we have. So we start with Rishabh Pant, which would be the obvious choice. Then we have Sam Billings, Hashim Amla, Sanju Samson, David Miller.
Yeah.
Okay. In all-rounders category, we have Glenn Maxwell, who is our vice captain.
Vice captain, yes.
Akshar Patel and Chris Morris, who is our captain this time.
Yes, boss.
Okay. And in bowlings category, we have Zahir Khan,
Yeah.
Sandeep Sharma and Amit Mishra.
कोई शंका, कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेश्चन कहीं पे भी आपको.
Glenn Maxwell, vice captain?
किस को करता है यार. मेरे को एक्चुअली ये राउंड में क्या है, मैं बिलिंग्स को करना चाहता था वाइस कैप्टन. लेकिन ये मैक्सवेल जैसे खेल रहा ना.
Do you think people will go for Sanju Samson as captain or vice captain?
They might go for Samson as a vice captain. I'll be very surprised to see अगर कैप्टन होता है तो. इतना कंसिस्टेंट सैमसन होता तो अभी तक वो रेगुलर हो जाता है इंडिया में.
बट सैमसन हैज बीन कंसिस्टेंट इन आईपीएल.
आईपीएल में मारता है 60-70 तो मारता ही है. बट आई थिंक इट्स टू अर्ली. देखो ही स्कोर्ड अ ब्रिलियंट 100, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. बट आई डोंट थिंक आप आज जाकर उसे कैप्टन मार भी ले, पता नहीं. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं खेला जाता है यार. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर समबडी लाइक क्रिस मॉरिस जो 4 ओवर डालता है, कैच पकड़ता है, 5-6 पे आके 6-7 बॉल पे 30 रन मार देता है, मजा कर लेता है.
Another candidate for vice captain is Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant is
last time, see, he was, I mean, the match before the last match, he was out, in that situation.
Yes.
Last match he was run out.
So
it hasn't been like a bowler कोई आके उसको beat कर रहा है और उसको out कर रहा है.
Yeah, you've got a point. He's a wicket keeper. Obviously, 1-2 stumping तो आने हैं अमित मिश्रा की bowling पे. You've got a point. But I just felt, see, I'm not. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं entirely convinced हूँ. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अच्छा चल रहा है. 1-2 ओवर भी शायद डाल ले, फॉर्म में है तो चलो मैक्सवेल के साथ चलते हैं. बट देयर आर अ फ्यू कैंडिडेट्स लाइक निखिल राइटली सेड. ऋषभ पंत इज वन, सैमसन है, अमित मिश्रा एक और डार्क हॉर्स है.
अमित मिश्रा.
मैं आपको बता दूं, ये जो कोटला में मैच होने वाला है, यहाँ पे कोटला में द पेसर्स हैव गॉट मोर विकेट्स एज कंपेयर्ड टू द स्पिनर्स.
Okay.
Yeah, this is an interesting stat.
Okay.
Yes. And the average score is somewhere around 160.
I have seen your Delhi ka team. You never pay attention to Pat Cummins.
Foreign player, number 1. Number 2, the issue is, अगर मैं Pat Cummins लूं, तो ज़हीर को उड़ा दूं. क्या पता आपको कि रबाडा खेल जाए.
He has been such a form.
मैं जानता हूँ, लेकिन
what a comeback here.
लेकिन आईपीएल में फॉर्म ये सब कुछ मायने नहीं रखता है यार. 4 फॉरेनर है, इतने सारे ऑप्शंस है उनके पास. बेन हिल्फेनॉस भी है उनके पास. लोगों को शायद ये पता नहीं होगा, उनके पास हिल्फेनॉस भी है. मन करे कि रबड़ा आज तू खेल जा, कमिंस तू बैठ जा, खत्म, डब्बा गुल. आप 0 से खेलोगे. छोड़ो ये सब पंगा, जहीर खान को लो.
So you're convinced with Chris Morris as a captain?
I'm convinced with Morris as a captain. इसमें तो मेरे को कोई डाउट नहीं है. Vice captain, I don't think at this point in time we are going to change, but as the day progresses, अगर कुछ changes आती है, वजह भी अगर कुछ बनती है, तो हम आप तक पहुंचा देंगे for sure. But you'll have to be tuned in. Website, Twitter, Facebook, जो भी है.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, our articles are up on our website, thefangarage.com. वो कल ही up हो गए थे?
बिल्कुल. कल रात तक दोनों भी up थे.
So you can take all the tips and advice of the playing 11, fantasy cricket 11 that we have created. If you have any doubts, you can connect us via Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and on Facebook, Fantasy Pandit. We have been receiving lot of message. अभी एक message हमें ऐसा आया है. I'll just tell you, Vivek. It's मतलब ऐसे message में ना आंसर करना बहुत difficult होता है. Who will play? Henriques, Colin de Grandhomme, Nabi, Cutting.
क्या बताऊं दोस्त मैं आपको. मैं क्या बताऊं. मैं इतना बताऊंगा कि नाबी तो नहीं खेलेगा, उतना तो कंफर्म है. हेनरिकेस, देखो ये इंजरी की जब बात आती है, इंजरी हो या फिर कोई बीमार हो, तो हम डॉक्टर नहीं है दोस्त कि हम यहाँ बैठ के बताएं कि चलो दवा खा ली ये ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. और उसी कारण हम भी उसे हमने भी टीम में नहीं रखा है. What I can tell you is Nabi won't play because SRH have so many options before they consider Nabi. And like we spoke about Colin de Grandhomme and Trent Bolt, it could be an interesting toss-up. KKR might say no changes because we won. They might go with the same team. Or they might feel, Shakib, please come in, Colin D, go out. So why do you want to get into all these things? There are so many theories, so many speculations. ये सब छोड़ो. हमने safe team बनाया.
Try your level best to play, the playing 11.
अब आप कल की मैच देख लो, दोनों टीम ने 4-4, 5-5 चेंजेस कर दी. क्या होता है यार, जरा सोच के खेलो. इसीलिए we also try to give an accurate team, very safe one. Sometimes luck is not on our side. एक दो बार ऐसा हो चुका है.
Yes.
But in the long run we will prevail.
Okay. Yeah. Fantasy, TFG Fantasy 11, Fantasy Pandit as Facebook page. There's also a podcast, so you can listen to it on IndusVox Media, SoundCloud, Audio Booms, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment, and keep hunting. One more thing. Tomorrow, due to personal reasons, we might not do our regular podcast, but we'll be back on Monday. So, keep waiting. Bye-bye. Thank you.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, एक्सक्यूज मी.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.